And news just coming in, sources within NIA are trying to find out details of the woman seen entering the five-star hotel in South Mumbai right behind Sachin Vaze during his stay between the 16th to the 20th of February. The woman is suspected to be amongst those who were questioned by Vaze in another case being investigated by him. The woman could be summoned by the NIA. Vaze is being grilled for content of the 5 bags he carried with the woman. NIA has also revealed that Vaze booked his hotel through a travel and tour operator who has now been identified. Vaze had asked the operator to book a hotel room for 100 days. Mustafa Sheikh is getting us more details. He joins us from Mumbai for more on that. Mustafa, just tell us in which directions is all of this really headed vis-a-vis the investigations, given the fact that the role of a woman is now emerging as well.
Well, I think the NIA has widened the scope and they are looking at a lot of angles, especially the money transactions. The woman which is seen was having a money counting machine in her hand. It's seen in the CCTV footage, and NIA suspects that there were some bags which with the Sachin Vaze had checked out from the hotel, and that bags had some cash, or it could possibly be gelatin sticks and things like that. So the NIA is investigating all these parts of it, and now with the order from a Thane court, the NIA has also gotten the case of Mansukh Hiran, that case. So the entire case for the NIA is now open, and they will be exploring a lot of aspects and angles, looking also at the businessman who had funded 25 lakh rupees for Sachin Vaze to stay in a 5-star hotel for 100 days. So all these things have now started coming out, and NIA is collecting more and more evidence in the case. Back to you.
All right. Mustafa, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. We'll just come back to you for more on that story in a bit from now. Meanwhile, we have more breaking news just coming in. Let's go straight to that. Thane Session Court has directed the Maharashtra ATS to hand over documents pertaining to the Mansukh Hiran death case now to the NIA. The order was passed on application by the NIA. Mustafa continues to be with us. Mustafa, if you could just tell us a little more about this development as well and the significance of it.
Well, the entire Mansukh Hiran case was being investigated by the ATS. In fact, ATS just yesterday took a press conference where the ATS chief said that they are exploring the exact role of Sachin Vaze. They have arrested 2 accused and they are determined to reach at the conclusion. But the NIA court yesterday visited Thane in a Thane Sessions Court. They said that the ATS is not handing them over the papers related to Mansukh Hiran case, and now the Thane court has finally ordered the ATS that all the documents of this case should be handed over to NIA, because the NIA has taken over this case. So it's a setback for the ATS that they will not be able to investigate this case further, but at the same point of time the NIA would be in charge of both the cases, and now they can involve and investigate the entire case with be it planting explosive or the murder case of Mansukh Hiran, and they have the custody of Sachin Vaze, which will be extended in all likelihoods tomorrow when the NIA gets these case, and one agency investigating both these cases and reaching at the exact motive and why Sachin Vaze did this both crime would be important for the case to understand the motive. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, thanks for getting us up to speed with all of those developments. Mustafa, with that story from Mumbai. And staying with this now, the Supreme Court has asked former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh to in fact knock on the High Court's doors, addressing Parambir's plea accusing the Maharashtra Home Minister of extortion. The top court acknowledged that this is a grievous issue, but the top court asked why did they not approach the High Court in the first place, as they do have the right to order a probe in this matter. Parambir's lawyer Mukul Rohatgi has said they will move High Court by afternoon. The shunted Mumbai top cop has moved the plea, seeking probe into extortion charges against Maharashtra Home Minister Deshmukh. He's also sought an investigation into the alleged irregularities in transfers and postings. This comes after he wrote a bombshell letter to Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray on Saturday.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.